Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about an virtual machine issue. This is an Azure virtual machine, so it's on Azure desktop. So if you ever face one of the issues which is related to virtual machine not starting, do look at this article actually, which is talking about couple of issues with the restore point and few known issues that are there. This article is actually troubleshoot restore point failure or issue with agent or extensions. My issue is listed over here, but the solution is actually not correctly mentioned over there. It's not even mentioned over there at all. So the issue that I was facing was there's an inactive shared access signature outstanding for disk, and Veeam is the name of the virtual machine. It further extends that the DataDisk call EndGets before in the disk. This is what the error message was. It's very weird, not very easy to understand, not very easy to get into. If I just search for this particular error message on this article, what it says is what I was trying to do is I was just trying to start my virtual machine. Over here, this is an issue where I'm unable to delete. You can't delete a restore point. This is saying that I should not be able to delete a virtual machine or a restore point, and that's not the same issue, even though the error message is same. Why I'm creating this video is because I was very much confused as to the actions which I'm taking and the articles which I'm getting on internet are completely different. They are poles apart. You do not see the same issue. You do not understand the same issue. So I was very confused as to what can be the issue with this particular what can be the cause of this particular issue. It took me a huge amount of effort and time to solve it, and this was very critical because what we had recently done is we had downloaded the hard drive. Okay, so what we did is we stopped that particular virtual machine and then we downloaded the VHD file of that virtual machine. And after that, when we were trying to perform a restore, start the machine, we were not able to do so. It was continuously giving errors. None of the articles were actually helping us, nor they were related to the issue that we are facing. We were very confused as to what was the issue. We did a lot of research. We spent a good amount of time understanding the issue, trying to narrow down the issue, and we found out that the issue was related to disk access. So what was happening was that the disk access was not correct. There was a disk access issue that we had. So what we had to do, what happened was that we had gained access to the virtual disk at the time of downloading. We had given some additional access, and we had revoked. I think it revoked the access for that virtual machine, Azure virtual environment, to have access and start it, and that's why they were getting this error message. So what we had to do was we had to run a particular command in a PowerShell. We have to first connect the PowerShell to the drive, and then we have to run a command revoke-AzDiskAccess, and then the resource name, the resource group name, and the disk name. This is what we had to do. If you are using Azure CLI is nothing but when you have the Azure portal open, on the right hand side top corner we have the CLI prompt. So that's called Azure CLI. If you open Azure CLI, the command is a little different. It is AzDisk revoke-access hyphen manage disk name, that is a disk name, and then the resource group name in which the disk resides. So this is the command that we need to run, and after that you would see that the message says success and without any error. If this is not happening, then really you need to identify what the cause of the issue is, or why we are not able to revoke the access. Maybe the download is still on, or that disk is not available for some of the other reason. But yeah, you really need to look at what the cause of this issue is. But don't really look at all the articles, or they don't really relate to the same issue what we had. they had little similarities as to we were trying to access the disk, but uh, and there was the error message also had there is an active shared access signature outstanding for disk. Now there is an active shared access signature outstanding of the disk is the same error message that we had, uh, but it had a little more elaborated and more detailed information out here. There were some links as well. And this article, this particular Microsoft article is nowhere related to the troubleshooting. And there are a lot of articles which are nowhere related to the troubleshooting of this particular resolution. So I thought this is good thing to share with everyone in my known knowledge and on my YouTube channel. Hope this will solve your issues if you get into similar kind of an issue. And if this really helped you solve your issue, please do like and subscribe this video. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye.